Hey guys, this is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. I'm at a home over here that we just finished about 3 weeks ago. And then we had that really crazy windstorm, so the customer, we had their full screened-in enclosure replaced. And then when the storm came, a tree branch hit it. The type of company we are, we're a family-owned company. So what I'm out here doing today is I got some new screen, and I'm going to replace this screen for the customer, just as a courtesy, not necessarily something that is our responsibility, but we wanted to take care of it and make sure that the customer is completely satisfied with our job. We actually started a tile roof across the street today, so we want to maintain a good relationship with this neighborhood over here in Timucuan and make sure that it gets addressed properly. So turn the camera around here real quick. So as you can see, this is the screen that kind of popped out. We're going to get that taken care of. We got some new screen here. I'm gonna jump up here and just install a new piece of screen just so we can have a satisfied customer. Just kind of one of those steps above and beyond, so we didn't want to make the customer wait. So I'm gonna change this out and then we'll take a picture.